there, YouTube. Today is Sunday. What is it? January. Oh my Lord. 5th? 6th? You know, I knew yesterday when I was out shooting some soccer games. Oh, let's see. Second. Second, third, fourth. Today's the 5th. Yeah, now I know what it is. January 5th, I hope. But anyway, it was cold. It's cold and rainy on Thursday. I was wearing my winter clothes, shooting soccer, and getting not poured on, but just rained on. And then Friday it cleared up. The sun was like this, but it was just really windy. I mean, extremely windy. My face got burnt just from the wind, because I had the sun behind me. And then yesterday I shot 3 games, and it was just like today. It was like really warm, very little wind. So yesterday was a good day. I shot actually 3 games, but got them done. But it's a beautiful day today. I don't know, I just got out of the garage. It's probably upper 60s, probably gonna hit 70 or something today. It feels pretty nice. I got my mesh jacket on just because I didn't know. Sorry, I'll have to edit that out. Sorry about that. I've been sneezing lately. I don't know what's in the air. This is South Texas, so there's a lot of probably cedar. You can shake a cedar tree and it's just like this brown powder just goes all in the air. Yep, that's what it is, because the cedar trees are brown, so that's what it is. It's cedar. Cedar fever. I should go shake one and give you an idea what that. See, those cedar trees are brown. That's pollen, and that stuff. The wind's blowing, and that's just. I'll shake one, and if I can get one up here, and I'll show you what it looks like. It's gonna make me sneeze, though. I might have to go. Let me go find one. Hold on. Let me show you what this thing does. See how those cedar trees are brown? That's why I'm sneezing. Watch this. God, it's gonna make me sneeze. No, there maybe that's not, but yeah, maybe that's just seeds. It's gonna start pretty soon. Whew, nasty cedar trees, cedar bushes. But that's not it. I don't know what it is. Probably just making me sneeze. Anyway, brought my drone with me. Haven't flown it in a while. I might go way out that way and just give it a try. Park down at the end of this road. Anyway, that's those cedar trees when they're whatever they're doing pollinating. It's some pretty nasty stuff. Let's see what's out that way. I don't know if that fence will interfere with me, but I think I've flown out here before. I'll give it a try. Anyway, bye.